Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today it's December 22 and as you can see there are lots of snow. It's just started last night and this is the result. And by the way, my boyfriend already shoveled last night and still a lot of snow in the sidewalk. So join me to shovel! Swim here. So I really don't know which side is the sidewalk. I will assume I'm standing on a sidewalk. Maybe this is the curb. No, it's still a sidewalk. Oh, there you go. That's the curb. Right, honey? Say hi to the camera!
Yeah, you shovel towards me, I'll shovel towards you.
Okay. I'll start like that. Yeah, so it started snowing yesterday. Just yesterday, and this is just overnight. Yeah, so we advise if it's really this thick, don't go to work, don't drive, just work from home. I still love snow. Oh, it's really super soft. It's really good for hollow. I can swim here, honey. Oh. Like that! It's okay. We can finish this in no time. Cause we're happy together. Oh, cause we're living in a corner lot, that's why. We've got two sides to shovel, like that. This street and this avenue. But it's okay, I love it!
Made for the side by side, right? Yeah.
Wow.
But side by side doesn't get on the sidewalks. Hopefully, I don't make a mess getting on. Don't worry. Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
awesome.
Yeah. Honey said scoop it. Like that. Like an ice cream. Look at that. It's so soft. So this is my exercise for today. Right, honey? You just have to think on the positive things. So I love snow, and it's not that cold today because it's just -5, and I love it because it's really soft. And just look on the bright side of everything. Right, honey?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. Plus, we really have a good winter this year. So I'm not complaining.
Yeah, we've had an amazing year.
Yeah. This is only the first time that we have this thick snow. And it's already December and we're kind of expecting it already, even October. Haha. Alright, so this is the finished product after shoveling. Now let's go on the other side. Alright, so we finished shoveling after for almost 2 hours. So me and my boyfriend help each other like inside the property and outside, like in the sidewalk. So it took us almost 2 hours because we started right 9:30, then it's almost 11:30. It's fun. It's hard. Oh well, but at the end of the day we finished shoveling. Then maybe later we're gonna shovel again. Then honestly, after shoveling for like almost 2 hours, like I feel so hot already. I'll show you the sidewalk now. It's already clean. Honey. Okay, so we're done with this sidewalk. It's in the street side. And you know how thick this one is. I can feel like, oh my god. It's so much fun. I can rest here. Good night, see ya. I got it. Look at the pile behind me. It's amazing, right? Welcome to Calgary! See that? There's another truck. It's really good to drive in those trucks. That's why I'm driving a truck. Because it's much easier with the 4-wheel drive. Then, just in case you'll be stuck, it's not that hard. Oh my god. Look at this one. So you see? I've got this mitten, then the gloves, so that's why it's not cold. It's really hot actually. Yeah, then a winter coat, then I've got a jacket, then my jumpsuit, then everything's fine. Alright, then we're done. This is along the avenue side of the sidewalk, and it's done. And I can have my lunch. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like it.